back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an updated brow tutorial. I had one on my YouTube channel previously, but for some reason it ended up getting deleted. So today I'm going to do a new one. I'm taking my e.l.f. brow gel and I'm brushing that through my brows. As you can see, my brows are pretty full, so the gel just helps the eyebrow hairs lay down in place so it doesn't look crazy when you're filling in your eyebrows. I'm taking my NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen in the color Espresso. I really like this pen because the tip of the pen is so thin that it's easy to do hair-like strokes. So if you like a natural brow, this is the pen that you need to use. I'm going in with my concealer. I actually use a P. Louise base. I actually like that better as a concealer than an eye primer. And I have another video on it talking more about that later on. But I'm taking this color, I think it's Rumor 7. So I'm using this. As you can see, I am applying a very small amount. You don't want to apply a lot because it's harder to blend out. So like when you're doing your makeup like a full face, you'll have like this halo effect. So you want to apply a thin amount so you can blend it out easy so it can look very, very natural. That's the whole goal, to have natural looking brows. I'm using my Real Technique setting brush. I really like this brush to blend out my concealer. I don't know why it does such a great job, but I'm using that brush to blend everything out to make sure everything is all good and blended. And I'm taking a spoolie to make sure my product is brushed thoroughly. So after that, I am done. That is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.